Hi yogis, Shannon here with Denver Yoga Social. We're here at the Denver Aquarium where we host class twice a month and you get to flow with the sharks and all of the amazing animals that they have here and then explore the aquarium after. Today we're working on child's pose, Balasana. So Balasana is like our favorite restorative pose. You can come to it at any time during class when life just gets a little overwhelming, you need a break, you want to refocus on your breath. So simply how we get into it is either from a kneeling position, and you're going to walk the hands forward, or you can come up to tabletop and then sink the hips back to the heels, reach fingertips forward. Once you're here, you have a couple options. You can make this incredibly active. You can reach through those fingertips. You can press your sit bones back. You can look for length into your spine. Or option two would be to soften, to allow gravity to do its work with a bend in the elbows as you drop your forehead down to the mat. Allowing yourself to come back to your breath, you can start to feel your exhale steam up your yoga mat. You can imagine it crash against the shore like a wave echoing back into your ears. I like this because it allows me time to connect with my breath. You can stay there for 5 rounds of breath. You can do this as a warm-up. It's great for your spine. If you want to add a little bit of hip opening, you can open the knees wide. So that as you walk those fingertips forward and you start to soften, you start to feel a little bit of deepness into the stretch, but you also feel a little bit of hip opening. All right, yogis, have fun. Enjoy another day of the challenge. We'll see you next time.